Oh, hey folks, welcome back to the kitchen here. Yeah, BC Benny back here, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make some awesome spaghetti, man. Okay, give you guys a quick glance. Okay, we're going to need some hamburger, right? Hamburger, great. Grab yourself some peppers, green peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, whatever, but that's what I'm going with. Here, okay, right on. I normally use, regular tomatoes, but I was out, so canned tomatoes, okay? Diced tomatoes. Grab yourself an onion or two, some mushrooms, some sauce of whatever type, some garlic, and yeah, right on. Okay, and of course, yeah, spaghetti noodles. You're gonna need them too. Okay, right on. Okay, yeah. So just get your hamburger in there, medium heat, and just break it apart. Break that hamburger apart. Breaking it up. Yeah, while you're getting that going here, you might as well get everything else prepared here. So I generally use one big onion or two smaller ones. So yeah, it's two smaller ones today, guys. And just keep breaking that meat apart. Yeah, and as you're breaking this apart, it'll take you probably, I don't know, probably about 5-10 minutes on medium heat. And then we're going to drain it. Okay, we're getting there. Right on. Okay, got my onions and mushrooms there. Okay, right on. Good stuff. So yeah, we're just going to drain that here. Take it over to your sink. Grab yourself a siphoner and got a bowl down there because you don't want to put grease down the drain. That is not cool. Right on. Just let that drain out. Okay, now here's what I do here. Okay, might be a little bit different, but take your onions and your mushrooms, turn it back up to medium while you got that drain in there still, and throw your onions in there. And that garlic, I threw in about 4 cloves of garlic too. Then we're just going to give it a little quick stir. And what I do here is I let it go for probably about a couple minutes, and then throw the meat back in. Okay, right on. Well, we're going to just grab that meat and just toss her back in there. Don't throw any grease in though. Maybe a little bit, but not much. Oh yeah, and that's the start. Getting it started, guys. Right on. So yeah, after this, what I do is I let it go for probably 5 minutes or so here, and then throw in your peppers. Generally I go with a green pepper and a half a red pepper, but you know what? I'm going with an orange pepper, one big heaping orange pepper. And yeah, it'll taste great. Oh, I love peppers. Peppers are awesome. They just give it that nice flavor that we're kind of going after here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, just keep giving it a little stir here, right? Yeah, and show you got my peppers there, right? Nice and thin. Right on. Yeah. So yeah, you don't want to rush it too much. Believe it or not, when I was a kid here, I thought that cooking spaghetti in 5 minutes was the answer, man. If you want it flavorful, well, man, you're gonna have to take a little bit of time, right? Okay, right on. See, that's probably I don't know, maybe, 5 minutes like this here. So we're almost getting to the point to throw those peppers in here. Grab yourself a pot, kind of like this here, because you're gonna need it here. Fill it up with cold water. Oh yeah, get those peppers in there. Okay, just to let you know, at this point here, I got gas range here, so it burns a little bit hotter. So I turn it back to a little bit above low, kind of halfway in between low and medium. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay, right on. Now what I generally do is I throw in about 2-3 fresh tomatoes, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. we're just throwing in some diced tomatoes. Yeah, and yeah, just throw the whole can in and just mix it up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And let that go for probably, oh geez, probably about 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then we're getting to the final step. So if you haven't already done so, fill up your pot over there with this cold water here, and throw some salt in, and here, we'll get that boiling here. Okay, here's a little tip here, is when you're throwing your water on to boil, throw in just a little bit of salt here. It'll help speed up the boiling process. And here's also what I do here, and it's a good little tip for you guys, is throw in a little extra olive oil. Just kind of keeps everything from sticking and whatnot. So yeah, a little bit of that. Oh yeah, our meat sauce is looking good, good, good. Okay, you see kind of when it's bubbling like that a little bit? Just give it a little bit. So that's probably, oh geez, 15 minutes, 10 minutes or so with the tomatoes in there. And yeah, okay, now here's the secret. It's some mushroom soup. Just toss that baby on there. And then mix it up. Oh yeah. Stumbled onto this a few years back, and man, I'm telling you, it is delish. So just kind of get that going like that, and then grab yourself some spaghetti sauce. I generally use Hunt's, but you know what? I'm going with a Classico. Well, there, that's what I'm going with. So it's pretty good. I've used it before. It's good stuff. Yeah, and then just, yeah, get that all stirred up. And that is pretty much our spaghetti meat sauce there, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. That is gonna be delicious. Okay, our noodles are pretty much about done here now. So yeah, you're gonna wanna get a strainer like we did with the hamburger here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can just give them a little quick rinse. Okay, right on. And then what I do is I throw in a little butter here and mix it up. Right on, guys. Well, thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video here. Right on. Good stuff. Well, I'm going to go chow down now. Right on. So you guys, you take care and have a good one. And yeah, maybe drop me a comment. Let me know kind of what you guys want to see next. Right on. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next week. Every Sunday. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that helped you out.